Today's beginner's lesson is video editing basics, but first, Chris has a quick tip. What do you have there, Chris?
Well, how to take video with your phone and snap a photo at the same time. One more slide. So this is for those times when you are taking a video of a speedboat going by, and you're taking the video and you really need to get that video, but then you think, oh, darn, I want a photo of it right when it's at the sunset. Well, there's a way to do that. While you're taking video, there is a button on your screen that says take a photo. The iPhone one is shown in the image on the left and the Android on the image on the right. But I want to do a live, I want to prove it to you. So I have my iPhone and I get into video mode.
167 of
I always do that. It wasn't on. As soon as the video is actually on, you notice a white button.
Yeah.
All right, go ahead.
All right, and you can see that what button. I'll wave, and you can do all that stuff. All right.
Now, and then you stop the video. Okay. Now I tapped that button 3 times. You do not hear a click. You don't really even see a flash. You feel like it's not working, but I want to prove to you that it did by going into Google Photos, and up at the top here, there is the video. I always do that. It wasn't on. And there are the 3 photos that I shot. And on the Android, or on my Android, not all will have this, but on the Samsung Note 9, which is what I have, I'm not going to do it, but if you're taking video, then this little button here is the camera. You tap that and it will take a photo. Now, what if you don't think of it? I mean, it's very easy to do, but you have to remember while you're taking video, you say, I want a photo. You got to remember that you can click that. If you didn't, you can still get it by taking a screenshot, by playing your video, pausing it, and then you still have to play it and quick take a screenshot. So it's a little tricky, but if you really want a photo while from a video, it can be done even after the fact.
Okay, cool.